Hi, my name is Guadalupe Arteaga. Do you celebrate the Day of the Dead? Do you know how this tradition was born in your family? My goal is to tell you the story of how this tradition was born in my family and how we celebrate it. I will talk about how this tradition was born in my family, how they celebrate, how they taught me to celebrate it, and how we celebrate it now. How this tradition was born in my family. This tradition is very important in my family. My mother is the one who taught it to my brothers and me, and we do it every year. It was prepared by my great-grandparents who lived in the state of Oaxaca. They lived at the time of the revolution. Their parents at that time did, and as a way to remember them each year they raise an offering from October 31st to November 3rd, which had all the foods they liked in life. My great-grandmother used to raise chickens. You will cook them. This celebration is very important to them. My mother tells us that her grandmother used to say that in those days the animal visited them you enjoy the essences of the food they prepared. My mom used to hide under the bed at night in those days, waiting for her mom to come, but she always fell asleep. How they celebrate it. My mother has always taught an offering in my house. Last year we visited the pantheon in November 2nd. My mom always prepares mole and tamales oaxaqueños. I love celebrating this tradition, the way we remember our family gives my feeling of unity. I love celebrating this tradition. Now I have begun to teach my daughter. Thanks for your attention.